Yeah, guys, back on the YouTube do it yourself. So today we had a Altezza here with a miss, and the owner said he had a miss, and took out a intake to check it out. It's a Altezza 2001, I think. It's a very common to Lexus. You guys know it. Nice with some red rims, looking sweet. It's also for sale. What you say, my brother? It's for sale.
No, not yet.
I want to show you face. We are putting our face. You guys got to comment, share, like.
Once the price is right.
So that's when we're gonna start show. So right now we keeping it. So do it yourself. Watch our videos. You'll learn how to keep some of the money inside your pocket. So we took out the intake and then we find this one, number 5. That one was missing, so we changed the coil, bad coil. So Lexus 2001, 2006. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna try it now. We're going back on the road. We'll let you guys know.